who can introduce a bill in the Parliament to implement a Uniform Civil Code, UCC, in the country? Answer D. All of the above. Recently, a private member of the Parliament introduced a bill in the Rajya Sabha, seeking the constitution of a committee to prepare and implement a Uniform Civil Code, UCC, in the country. The constitutional amendment bill can be introduced by Answer D. All of the above. The constitutional amendment can be introduced either by a minister or by a private member. What is aim of the Uniform Civil Code? Answer A. One nation, one law. UCC provides a single umbrella of law, one nation, one law, for the entire country, applicable to all religious communities. Which state in India has UCC? Answer B. Goa. At present, Goa is the only India state that has implemented UCC from British era. The Uniform Civil Code is not applicable to Answer B. Assault. UCC provides a single umbrella of law, one nation, one law, for the entire country, applicable to all religious communities in their personal matters such as marriage, divorce, inheritance, adoption, maintenance, etc. Where is mentioned Uniform Civil Code in the Constitution of India? Answer D. Both A and B. Uniform Civil Code is mentioned in Directive Principles of State Policy, DPSP, of Part 4 of the Indian Constitution. Which article of the Indian Constitution provide Uniform Civil Code? Answer C. Article 44. Article 44 of the Indian Constitution says that the state shall endeavour to secure for the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India. When was originated Uniform Civil Code in India? Answer B. 1835. Origin. The UCC has its roots in colonial India, where the British government first presented a report in 1835 that emphasized the need for uniformity in the codification of Indian law with regard to crimes, evidence, and contracts, while specifically consider the following options regarding UCC, which is an incorrect. Answer D. The Gujarat government implemented it in the state. Recently, the Gujarat government had decided to form a committee for the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code, UCC, in the state. Which country has already implemented a Uniform Civil Code? Answer C. France. Enacted on March 21, 1804, the resulting Civil Code of France marked the first major revision and reorganization of laws since the Roman era. The Civil Code, renamed the Code Napoleon in 1807, addressed mainly matters relating to property and family